20 DPWH personnel, 20, and officials ang finalga natin. I will read all their names. Henry Alcantara, Bryce Erickson Hernandez, JP Mendoza, John Michael Camos, Ernesto Galang, Lorenzo Pagtalunan, Norberto Santos, Jaime Hernandez, Flora Lynn Simbulan, Juanito Mendoza, Roberto Roque, Benedict Matawaran, Cristina May Pineda, Paul Jason Duya, Merge Haron Laus, Lemuel Efraim Roque, RJ Dumasig, Giancarlo Rivera, John Benex Francisco, Jojo Marie Tayaw. So lahat ito, mostly sa district ng Bulacan, pero meron ding mga involved hanggang cashier, kasi yung mga nagpalabas ng mga cheque, ng mga pambayad, dito sa mga contractor, lalo na yung mga ghost projects, ay kasama dito. Meron din po tayong 4 na contractor at 5 tao. St. Timothy Construction Corporation, Miss Maria Roma Angeline Rimando, at ang admitted by herself mismo as beneficial owner, Cesara Rowena Discaya. Wawaw Builders, Mark Alan Arevalo, Sims Construction Trading, Sally Santos, IM Construction Corporation, Robert Imperio. So total of 25 persons and 4 construction companies, no, ang kasama ng kasong ito. Ito ang mga kaso final natin. Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, malversation through falsification of public documents, and the violation of the Government Procurement Act. Ang malversation po through falsification at ang Anti-Graft Corrupt Practices Act, because they have breached the threshold of more than 8.8 million. Non-bailable po ito. Non-bailable. At ang parusa po nitong lahat ng counts na ito ay life imprisonment.